Right, this is all about solar heating panels, the sort of things that you put on your roof. Right, now, first of all, solar heating panels are different from solar PV cells or panels, okay? Solar heating panels tend to be about heating water. Solar PV cells are PV stands for photovoltaic. And what they do is, where solar heating panels take the light and make heat energy, solar PV cells make light and make electricity energy. Most people tend to, if they have got one of these systems, will have the light to electricity system, but the light to heat system actually in some ways saves a lot more energy, but unfortunately you can't sell that at the moment. A lot of people have got these light to electricity because they know they can sell the electricity back to the electricity board. Right, so how does the heating panel work? Well, you have on your roof a series of pipes, normally dark coloured so they absorb the heat. You know, that matte black absorbs the heat very well. And in these pipes is a liquid. It's normally filled with antifreeze. And so what you find is that the sun's light will heat up these pipes and heat it up sufficiently that when you send the heat back into the house, it will go into a massive container. Now this is the heat exchanger. This is full of water, and the hot water has come from the roof. And if you notice, the pipes are kept separate to the rest of the container. And the hot water now is used to heat the water inside the heat exchanger. It's important you know that they actually keep the two pipes separate because obviously you can't mix antifreeze with the water you're going to be using inside the house. So the big heat exchanger has got cold water coming in, and then of course the hot water goes at the top. A pump pushes the water all the way around the house, and this again just re-emphasises the fact that you've got two separate systems. You've got the roof system, where basically the water's going, stays on the roof and then comes back inside to heat up the water, and they've got another system which is the one that's used to heat up the water that you use for your washing and for your baths and so forth, and that is a solar heating panel. That's how that system works, and hopefully that makes it a lot clearer for you.